Peace, everyone. Thank you for joining Law Life Academy's YouTube channel. If you haven't already done so, subscribe so you can see more content as we produce those and put them out on YouTube. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to change your name, and we will go through a few different screens just to give you some information so that you can make an informed decision. Before we begin, uh, this is our disclosure. This is not legal advice. We are not lawyers or attorneys. If you need a lawyer or attorney, you can subscribe to one. All right, so if you go on YouTube, you'll find videos like these, or at least this one, how to change your name legally to live in the private. All right, this was done in 2020, and all we're going to do today is just take a look at what that actually means. So here is a look at California. So change your name in California. You can legally change your name by filing papers in court. If a judge agrees, they will give you a court order that states your new legal name. You need this order to change your name on identity documents like your driver's license, passport, or social security card. All right, down here they have some basic steps. To start the process, you file forms with the court. You pay $4.50 filing fee. If you can't afford it, you may ask the court to waive it. The clerk will give you a date when a judge will make a decision. A judge will make a decision in about 2 to 3 months after you complete a few more steps. Before a judge can decide, you must have the forms published in a newspaper for 1 month. This means that the request shows up in a legal notice section of a paper. There's a fee to publish in a newspaper, obviously. If you change your name, if your name change is to match your gender identity, or you're also asking for a gender recognition order, you don't need to publish. Okay, there you go. So things are changing as we are going through it. So name change, let's see. Actually, yeah, we'll just go here. So real quick on Wiki. Again, I want to get through these videos, and anything under 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so name change is the legal act by a person of adopting a new name different from their current name. Now, there's two different jurisdictions. In general, common law jurisdictions have loose procedures for a name change, while civil law jurisdictions are more restrictive. If you don't know what a pseudonym is, a pseudonym or alias is a fictitious name that a person or group assumes for a particular purpose, which differs from their original or true name. All right, so it just said the same thing. This does not require legal sanction. Pseudonyms are generally adopted to conceal a person's identity, but may also be used for personal, social, or ideological reasons. All right, all right. You go through here, reasons for changing one's name. They give you a few different reasons that most people would subscribe to. I'm not going to read all of this. You can go back and take a look. So what I want to do is go down to this country here where you all reside, right here. Okay. So in the United States, state laws regulate name change. Several federal court rulings have set precedents regarding both court-decreed name changes and common law name changes. So just so everyone is aware, there's two different things going on here. You can change your name by court, or you can change your name by common law, all right? Which is changing the name at will. All right, pay attention, guys. Including this particular case, Linden versus First National Bank, where they would, it's right here. This is what the case is one of the earliest or very earliest precedent-setting U.S. federal court cases involving common law name change. A woman who had changed her last name to one that was not her husband's original surname was trying to claim control over her inheritance. So let's see what they said. The court ruled in her favor. At common law, a man may change his name, and he is bound by any contract into which he may enter in his adopted or reputed name, and by his known and recognized name he may sue and be sued. That set forth many things by common law. One may lawfully, see this word? Lawfully, over here, the word is legally. Just giving you some difference in wording. So, but by common law, one may lawfully change one's name and be known and recognized by that new name. Also, one may enter into any kinds of contracts in one's new adopted name. So you can even set up your employment contracts in that new name. And they give you another case citing here that you can take a look at. Finally, one can be recognized legally in court in one's new name. All right. So back to this article, it says another court case. In this court case, the Supreme Court accepted a name change using the common law method as a legal name. Now, I don't want to teach a whole lesson on this. I want you all to take a look, go back and review this information so that you can make an informed decision. But it's right here on Wiki. You can read it. There's a lot of gems in here that will help you, guide you in your decision making. Now, with that being said, we're going to conclude this particular video. We will continue to produce some more videos as we get comfortable with this information in terms of working all of this tech stuff. Y'all know I'm not techie. But in any instance, please don't forget to subscribe. You can check us out on IG, Law Life Academy, and you can check out our website, lawlifeacademy.com. We look forward to working with you all as we disseminate this information. Peace.